Yo, what's up guys? I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. I know I said I was gonna upload every week, but you know, that was a complete fail. For sure this time I'm gonna try to upload every week. Quality content for you guys. Golf Wang, you know, some other drops from other brands. And yeah, today we're going to the, what is it, the SUICOKE and the Golf Wang collab. Here, I'll show you guys right now. It's these right here. These right here, the fucking SUICOKE car shoes, style B, yellow and blue. So they're gonna have the yellow ones and the blue ones. So yeah guys, we're gonna head over there right now, so let's go. So we took a detour to the Green Rose because Trippy Red was there. It turns out we just missed him. So yeah, now we're going to the Golf Wang store because we just missed Trippy. Fuck it, another day. Let's go. Guys, we're at the golf store. The homie pulled up. The homie fucking pulled up, bro. Caught the bag right now. Oh yeah, you're Alright guys, so here we are, we're back at the house right here. We caught the SUICOKE Golf Wang. I don't know, you could call them sandals, slides, whatever. But yeah, let's check it out. Here they are guys. SUICOKE Inviting Atmosphere Wear Comfortable Products. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that right, because I don't know if it's pronounced that way. SUICOKE. Alright guys, so we're opening these bad boys up right now. Let's see over here. Inviting atmosphere, wear comfortable products. Same thing as the box. There it is guys, right there. On the side it says golf right here. I don't know if you can see it. SUICOKE, 2 straps. Same thing. It also says golf on the side. What do you guys think? First thoughts? Bottom it says the same thing. My initial thoughts, they're light, very light. They feel comfortable in my hands. Got the little bumper here. This is a size 10 US. What do you guys think? Let's strap it back up right here. These were $200, 200 US American dollars. Oh, there was nothing else in the box. The slides or whatever. Oh, wait. What is this right here? Missed this. Attention. What does it say right here? Case and handling, cleaning instructions. Never step on the heel section, shoes, sandals, blah, 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 blah. I ain't gonna read all that. Tripping. We got Chinese, I assume, French, and Italian. That's all that was in the box. No stickers or anything. That sucks. Alright guys, so now we're gonna see how they look on foot. And stay tuned for the end of the video because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for a golf WANG shirt. It's the Trisha shirt. I don't know if you guys seen it, but yeah, stay tuned for the end of the video. All right, guys, so we're trying them on right now. See how this goes. What do you think, Tay?
They're a little too thick.
I'm liking them right now. I'm gonna have to wear these every day. What do you guys think? I like how they look, to be honest. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? First thoughts? Alright, let's go outside. They're comfortable. It's fresh. Okay guys, so as promised, you know, I said I was gonna give away the shirt. So this is the shirt I'm gonna be giving away. What you have to do to enter the giveaway is you have to subscribe and like the video and comment down below why you should get this shirt. Also leave your Instagram handle, so if you win, you know, I can contact you. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving away this one. It's new, completely new. XL, I mean, if it's not your size, you can just give it away or sell it online. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving this away right here, new. And also I'm gonna be throwing in this golf sticker. So yeah, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below why you should get it. And yeah, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, consider subscribing if you like this content. If you want more, you know, I'm gonna keep putting out new videos every week as promised. I said that last video, but this time for sure I'm gonna do that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video later.